Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian, and I'm here with my two sons,
Channing
and Zachary, and we're here to teach you how to make a quick and healthy after-school snack or a delicious breakfast for your kids. Some of the things we're going to need for this snack are soft flour tortillas. Zachary, what are we using here?
Yogurt.
And Channing, what do we have here?
Peanut butter.
Right. And we also have a variety of fresh fruit. We have bananas, strawberries, nectarines, and kiwi. This is just what we had in our fridge. You can use any fruit that your kids enjoy eating. All right, so we want to show you step by step how to make these and how easy they really are for the kids. Okay, you guys, let's each take one of your tortillas.
Okay.
All right, so the first step is spreading on our base. All right, so Zachary's going to use the yogurt and Channing's going to do some peanut butter. And you want to use the back of the spoon, that way you don't have to use a knife for the little kids and it keeps their fingers a little bit safer. And they're just going to spread it all the way to the edge of their tortillas. That's good, Zachary. We don't want too much, it'll drip all out. All right. So when you're done, you're going to have a tortilla that either has like yogurt, peanut butter. You could probably even use cream cheese if you have that, but it'll go all the way to the edges. The next step is taking the fruit and just layering it on top of that yogurt or peanut butter. All right, you guys, go ahead. Let's get some fruit on there.
Fruit. Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
And a little tip is if you slice the fruit really thin, it's going to be easier to roll up at the end. We also have the option of putting on honey or cinnamon if you want to add a little bit more flavor to those wraps for those kids. And if your kids like an after dinner dessert before bedtime, you could actually even use Nutella with that little bit of chocolate flavor, makes it more like a dessert. And it'll still taste really good with the fruit. All right, you guys, we getting this fruit laid on? You want a little more kiwi, Zachary?
Yeah.
All right, and how about a few strawberries on yours? All right, Zachary really likes yogurt, so he's licking it off of himself right now. You're gonna have it eaten before you make it. All right, you guys, do you want any honey or any cinnamon on yours?
I want both.
You want a little bit of both. All right, so let me sprinkle yours on.
I would like both too.
All right, Channing, you want to go ahead and take your cinnamon? And then with the honey, I recommend just a little drizzle so it doesn't get too sweet. You helping me out, bud? All right, there we go. Channing, you think you can do yours? All right. So now to finish these off, we're going to roll them up. All right, great job, Zachary. And as you can see, it's really easy to do even for a 4-year-old. All right, so you're going to have a wrap that looks kind of like a little burrito. You okay, bud? All right, so now we're going to slice them into pinwheels to make them easy little finger snacks for them to eat. All right, Channing, let's go ahead and slice your peanut butter one up. All right, you guys want to try it? Nice little bite. All right, what do you guys think? All right, so if your kids like a little snack after school like mine do, this is a very quick and easy and much healthier than them grabbing chips or other types of snacks out of the pantry. So thanks for watching, and we hope you guys enjoy making this at home.